Today we are brewing this soothing kada that you can sip just like your regular tea. It is warm, fragrant and perfect for your cough cold days. This kada gets ready in no time. All you need to do is heat some water in a kettle, add in some traditional spices like cinnamon sticks, some cloves, fennel seeds, some peppercorns, some freshly plucked tulsi leaves. Do add some pounded ginger and elaichi. Let it simmer for a while. Now add in some jaggery for that little sweetness. Just pour in the prepared kada, squeeze in some lemon juice and top it up with fresh tulsi leaves. And with that, your cozy cup of herbal calm is ready to sip in.